shipping changes.
Hey, good evening, Rockstars. Welcome back to the RockstarFlipper YouTube channel. And breaking news, if you haven't already seen the post, I know a couple people put it online. eBay has announced that they are officially adding PayPal into managed payments. So your buyers will be able to use PayPal to pay you through the new managed payment system. However, it is a slow rollout. It will not be available to everyone in managed payments right away. There is no timetable, time frame. Obviously, they want it all done by summer or by the end of the year. There'll be more updates, but this is really, really good news for everyone. I'll put the announcement up in one of these corners somewhere, and I'll also link the story below that you guys will be able to check out. This has been the huge hang up for everyone who has gone over to managed payment or who has chosen not to go to managed payment like myself. I am not on managed payments because of these two reasons. The managed payment does not allow buyers to use PayPal. They could use their PayPal debit card or credit card, which would be fine. But it's just one more step. They still got to put it in, and it's discouraging a lot of buyers from doing that. I think that's silly because anytime I buy something on the internet, it's almost always my credit card or debit card. PayPal I only use for eBay, so it's pretty standard. And if you're willing to pass on an item because you don't feel like getting your debit card or it's not stored in your phone or your computer, that's a pretty silly reason, but it happens, and so it has cost people some sales. Now that they have brought that in, it will be much easier to convince people to use it. Again, silly on the buyer's part, but it's just the way it is. The second reason was, of course, global shipping, the GSP. It is not available. It's still no announcement on it being available, so that could be a little hang up. However, my global shipping amounts to just a few sales a month. I know some people do it international direct, which if you do, that's awesome. You could do it that way. But I just use global shipping programs, so there's no real update on the time frame for that being incorporated into managed payments. However, the managed payment will update PayPal, and that is good news for everyone, getting a step closer to everyone rolling out. So it builds and builds. I'm not going to go over yet. I'm going to hold out until the last minute, until everything is incorporated, and then hopefully we'll be 100% all systems go, and then it'll be right on over, and I think it will be better. So without further ado, let's jump over to my computer. I'll show you the story and, of course, link it below. All right, so this is off of ebayinc.com, April 8, 2019. That is today, by Elisa Cutright, the VP of Global Payments, Billing, and Risk for eBay. Alyssa, I'm sorry, I think it's Alyssa. It might be Elisa. Managed payments, eBay managed payments, Google PayPal, Google Pay Live and PayPal integration are complete. It's been nearly 7 months since we rolled out our managed payments experience to a select group of sellers in the US, and I'm encouraged by the results we are seeing for our customers, including more flexibility and payment choices for buyers and streamlined business processes with lower payment costs for sellers. A little over 2 weeks ago, we let you know that Google Pay would be offered as a new managed payment option for buyers starting in early April. I'm excited to announce that Google Pay is live, and we are already seeing a positive response from our buyers. So if Google Pay is something that your buyers want to use, they now can. That's a great addition. We've also made great progress on the integration of PayPal on the managed payments platform, and starting today, we're making PayPal available in managed payments. We're starting small, and in the coming weeks, we will continue to test and scale this feature to ensure a seamless and successful seller and buyer experience. Google Pay and PayPal join Apple Pay, credit card, debit cards, and gift cards in our suite of managed payment options. As we continue to build out the experience and the geographies we cover, we will expand the number of sellers participating in managed payment and give buyers the choices they expect while shopping. Check back here for more updates and insights from me. For sellers interested in more information, go to ebay.com/payments. And that is pretty much it from Ms. Cutright. She's the VP of Global Payments, Billing, and Risk. So there you guys go, straight from eBay. That was this afternoon/tonight. They are adding PayPal and now Google Pay, which went live just a little bit ago, to managed payments. So those of you still up on the fence, up in the air about joining managed payments, we are that much closer to go ahead and do it. I am still going to hold out. The reason I'm holding out is because PayPal's still not available to everyone, and global shipping program, like I said. So I'm going to give them a little bit more time to try and get that all together. So I'll link this. I'll link everything that you need down in the description box. As always, I appreciate everyone watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to keep up with all the latest updates and stories coming from eBay and other e-commerce platforms, e-commerce selling, hauls, videos, news, everything that you will need right here on this YouTube channel. Just click that subscribe button and hit the little bell, and you'll be notified anytime something happens, is posted, or is going on that you need to know. You can also join us in my private Facebook group, Reselling Facebook group. If you're active on Facebook, it is a great place to learn with some of the best sellers in the business on all three platforms, eBay, Amazon, and Poshmark, including several other platforms that they use. It is fully monitored, fully moderated, and 100% troll-free, and an amazing place to learn. Plus, you get a copy of all my PDF and sourcing guides and Bolo lists. We have yearly, monthly, and biannual payment options. So use those links below or email me, rockstarflipper@gmail.com, and I will get you inside right away. Thanks, everyone. Enjoy your Monday night, and I'll see you next time.